Welcome to Ireland Daily News. Today is the 12th of July 2026. Story 1. Thousands of people attended the 7th annual Transgender and Intersex Pride March in Dublin on Saturday. The crowd marched from City Hall to Leinster House, calling for better access to healthcare. Transgender healthcare in Ireland is consistently ranked as among the worst in Europe. Patients often face waiting several years for an initial appointment with the National Gender Service. Maura O'Malley from Trans Healthcare Action called for the introduction of an informed consent model. Pride founder Ollie Bell demanded the same bodily autonomy and choice for the community. Intersex advocate Maker called for an immediate ban on medically unnecessary interventions on intersex children. Story 2. Met Éireann has issued a yellow high temperature warning for 13 counties. The warning began on Friday and will continue until 7 a.m. on Sunday. Daytime temperatures are expected to reach between 24 and 29 degrees. Overnight temperatures are expected to be at least 15 degrees. From 1 p.m. on Sunday, a new high temperature warning will take effect for 10 counties. Met Éireann has extended the nationwide weather advisory until next Friday. Temperatures are expected to widely exceed 25 degrees. By the middle of next week, temperatures could reach around 30 degrees in some areas. Authorities are reminding the public to take precautions against heat stress. There is also a risk of dehydration and wildfires. Water safety is also a concern as more people head to the water. UV levels will remain high over the coming days. Thundery showers may develop later next week. Temperatures will return to average levels towards next weekend. Story 3. The Health Service Executive and the Department of Health have still not reached an agreement on free prenatal testing. This non-invasive testing is currently only available privately in Ireland. University College Cork research shows the private cost ranges from €380 to €650. High costs and geographical differences have created barriers for many expecting parents. The Health Service Executive has submitted a proposal to the Department of Health, but negotiations are ongoing. Labour Party TD Marie Sherlock criticised this inequitable access to testing. Minister for Health Jennifer Carroll McNeill confirmed they are evaluating the National Maternity Strategy. Story 4. Due to a hot spell causing low reservoir levels, water will be turned off. Use Éireann will halt supply from the Allen Reservoir from 6 p.m. on Saturday. This measure is intended to allow reservoir levels to replenish. The outage will impact areas in North Kildare including Coyle Dub and Prosperous. Service is anticipated to resume from 6 a.m. on Sunday morning. However, it may take up to 12 hours for normal supply to return to all areas. Ewan Forrestal of Use Éireann has urged residents to reduce their water usage. The body previously asked people in Dublin and Cork to conserve water as well. Story 5. Cavan County Council claims it is almost impossible to catch dog owners who do not clean up after their pets. Records show that 6 local authorities issued 0 dog filing fines between 2021 and last year. These areas include Kilkenny and Cork City local authorities. Kerry County Council issued the highest number of fines, with 76 over the 5-year period. The current fine of €150 is set to rise to €250 from September 1st. The Department of the Environment is examining the use of DNA testing to identify offending dog owners. Story 6. In the Dublin Children's Court, Judge Conor Fottrell has placed a 5-month-old baby into state care until the age of 18. The baby tested positive for cocaine and experienced withdrawal symptoms when born in January. The Child and Family Agency subsequently applied for a full care order. The mother had tested positive for multiple drugs late in her pregnancy. She has a long history of homelessness and substance misuse, and her 2 other children are already in state care. The father was incarcerated for a period during the mother's pregnancy in 2025. Currently, the baby is healthy and thriving with a foster family. The parents have not seen the child since January and did not attend the hearing. That's all for today's Ireland news. Thanks for watching, and see you tomorrow.